All right, we're going to go ahead and knock out this hero section, which is the animated text and the contact form. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and go into the back end. There's a few ways to do it, but the quickest way for me is click Exit to Dashboard, select the WordPress icon that takes you into the dashboard, and now go to Typing Effect. And we are going to type these phrases: a marketer, a gastronomic strategist, etc. And of course, I do have these already typed out. So the first line is going to be Paul Hannigan. Second line is going to be a chef. Add a row. Third line is going to be an author. Add a row. Fourth line, entrepreneur. Add a row. Fifth line here is going to be a marketer. Next line is going to be, there it is, that gastronomic strategist. And then we're going to go over here and change some of these settings. We'll leave the type speed at 40. The start delay we'll leave at 0. The back speed, though, we're going to go ahead and change that to 22. And then the back delay, we're going to change that to 1000. And we will turn the loop on, and this kind of shows you the speed of what that animated text is going to look like. And let's make our loop count a 2. Then once that's done, you can click Generate Shortcode, which I believe it was already up here. But now you have your shortcode. Let's go ahead and copy that, Control-C or Command-C if you're on a Mac. Let's jump back over to our main page. Click Edit with Elementor. And now we're going to go ahead and add a heading to our hero section. So to do that, you simply grab the heading, put it on top of the anchor, and we're going to paste that code right in here. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to write the first part of the verbiage, which is hello, I am. Hello, I am. And let's go ahead and put a little HTML code in here, bracket BR, which is like a carriage return. It causes the next text to go on the next line down. And then you'll see the text here. Let's go ahead and change some of the styling. Text color, we will make white, our global text color. Typography, we're probably going to have to change this up a little bit, but let's go ahead and tweak this to a good size setting, which will keep the archivo, however you say that. I'm not really sure. We're going to bump this up to 78 for desktop. And then for tablet, we're going to make that 66. And then for mobile, we're going to go ahead and make that 28, which is what it is defaulting at. So 66 tablet, 78 desktop, and 28 for mobile. Now with a short code, you will not be able to see the animation until you actually make the update. And then you actually have to exit out and view the page. So boom, you can see that text working good. So obviously there's some space in here. So we're going to adjust that part now. So in order to do that, we simply click on those dots on the hero section, come over to advanced, and then we're going to move the margin, the top margin, to about 100. And then on the bottom, we'll give it a little bit of padding. Unlink the values. And we'll make that about a 3. And we may need to modify that when we build out the next section. And that looks pretty good. Now let's go ahead and get this form built.